How to bypass Discord phone verification. First things first is you have to pull up your web browser and we need to have a temporary number. To do that, you need to go to this website which is temp-number.com, and by here we need to choose any country that you would like and choose any random numbers and just complete the captcha. So once you copy the number, you go to your Discord software, go to your user settings under my account. So since my account doesn't have any phone number verification, let's try and add a number. So click add, choose the country, that temporary number that you chose. You paste the number here, and then you will be routed to enter a slight captcha. So once done, there will be a 6-digit verification code sent to the temporary number that you copied through this website. We'll just have to wait or refresh until it will show here. You add the code here, and that's how you bypass Discord phone verification.